Hi, we're going to show you how to optimize your fully fluid. First, you grab all the sizes, 5 sizes, and you check the canvas size. As you can see, it's 6 megs. It's kind of big. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the background image. We're going to use transform and grab it and shrink it proportionally until we get to a certain size smaller. In this case, we randomly picked about 1050. And now we're going to save it. And we're going to, as rasterized image, we're going to save it. And we're looking here, but you can see it's still too big. It's still 3 megs. So we're going to shrink it down even further. And as long as it's around 2 megs and you upload it, it uploads really nicely. We'll save it as PSD 6 here. And now we're going into the editor. We're going to create a new ad. Give it the name Wendy's. We're going to grab the PSD, fully fluid. Just give it the advertiser name and upload that Photoshop file. And that Photoshop file was 2.5 megs. Now, the Photoshop file is converted into JPEGs, and as you can see, it's about 676. And we're just going to take that image and make sure it looks good, 100%, 100%, and cover. So it covers the whole background. We're going to zoom it down. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go to the settings and hit lossy. And as you can see, it got that under 200. So now we're under 200K for the entire size. So if you start out with 2 megs, you could basically get under 200K.